Hey, 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 hey,
So, hello everybody, it's me again, the Guy, Den Guy. It's not that crazy guy, it's not Guy, it's Guy. For the ones who don't know, it's Guy, it's a Luxembourgish name. Für Den Guy, das praktisch das Lützeburgische, ja, gesagt mal. So, I present you, this is the new project. My father, he always had a 406, and I was born 95, so the movie came out 98, 99, 2000. There was this white 406 taxi. So little boy, little child, my dad had one, so normal that that me too, one day I want to make one. Le Taxi de Marseille.
Oh shit, here we go again.
So basically, as you can see, this car is all 2005, 2000 tuning. Don't worry about it. I just got this car like this for 1,500 euros. It's okay. It's a V6 still. It has new TÜV. Der deutsche TÜV. Das ist sehr wichtig. Very important. You gotta have it, you know. So don't worry about the look now. But I have to be honest. I kind of like this Jackie tuning, as they say in France. It's out of mode, but I don't know. I don't know if I should like it. I don't know if I should not. I like the color. The color, it has something special. I got this dirt. Unique. The dirt here.
Camera fail.
The dirt here is also unique. I got this one with the TÜV also. It has to be, you know, KW Variante 2. So you can make a little tune. Come here, man. Let me show you something. These wheels, straight out of America. Some billet wheels. They used to be chrome, but someone thought like, let me paint this motherfucker black. I don't know what he was. I don't know what he was taking.
Wait, what?
I don't know what he was thinking about, but so this is a V6, 24 valves. The engine code is ES9J4. This is the first series of it. There are two. Everybody says this is the better one. This one actually is broken. That's why I got the car so cheap. The engine, the Kurbelwelle kaputt. I don't know how to say it in English. The crankshaft is broken. Don't care, I have new TÜV. This is what matters. The TÜV is neu. Der TÜV ist neu, Jungs. Wichtig. So since this car is originally a V6, they came with the best of the options from 98. Some nice, they are actually really beautiful. Leather seats. Sitzheizung. Untertitel. So for the American and the French people, you will understand. Chauffe-cul peut-être même. This is also only for the V6 originally. This chrome stuff, you gotta have it. And also Come here, man. Look at this. Some used Red Bull cans. Man, if you don't have that in your car when you buy it, man, you gotta have that. I'm gonna show you the trunk. Look at this. Look at this button. This is not for the NOS. We are not in America with the Honda boys with the 2-tank NOS, but this is for opening the trunk. Do you listen to the sound?
Chupapi muñeño.
Coming back to 2005 when you go to the tuning tune meetup, and you be like, yo, man, I got this sick ass trunk. Look at my bass, man. Look at this. Damn, I got that Hyphonics Zeus amplifier. Jeez, damn, son, where'd you find this? And also this very beautiful, very selten Musketeer duplex exhaust system. If you didn't have that back in the days, you were nobody. You gotta have it. Ein Muss.
Sound check.
Sound check, okay. Don't be irritated by the sound of the engine because, like I said, the engine is broken. But I got that sorted out. The engine is actually on the way. But fuck this, engine cold, engine warm. Immer warm, immer kalt gefahren. Ne? And the exhaust system is very dicht. How to say dicht in English? I don't know for now. It doesn't have leaks. It doesn't have leaks, this exhaust system. No. Listen to this. Come to the front now. Listen to this engine. Yeah, so this is the sound of the engine. Somebody's in the engine playing a little drums, but like I said, this car, I got this car for 1,500 euros. It's cheap. I mean, it's a little bit out of age, but I have my vision, my project. So the wheels are coming off, the side skirts are coming off, the rear bumper is coming off. I want to paint it white, but not the taxi style. Yes, the taxi white, but the DTM body kit. Pictures are sliding in the video after this. So this is the idea, so you know what you'll be like in the beginning. Maybe you think, what the fuck is this guy going to do with this bullshit? But like I said, I have my vision. I bought this car for cheap. I have my plan, so keep in touch. After this little introduction, back to the garage. Back into the garage. The engine just came in. Man, oh man, what have I done? But this is the car guy problems. We see the projects, man. We be like, oh man, buy the engine and all this. Now I have this in front of me. Shit, man. Woo. I got something to do.
That Pussycat, bro.
This was it for today, but I forgot one thing. As you can see, my name changed on YouTube, so I am about to present you. This is the new concept, and for those who don't know me, I have more than just 1-2 cars. I have a few cars, so why always open up a new Instagram account for all the cars? So the concept is about, I show you what I do, I show you my passion. And what is about my passion? It's about cars, as you can see. It's about having fun with my colleagues, my friends, with some of the people that I don't know who are about to come into life, who go, I don't care. Everybody join in. So the concept is, the name of the concept is Individual Factory. Why Individual Factory? I was thinking about individual because I think I am kind of an individual. I am different, so I was like thinking about names different. What comes with the name? So I was like, Individual Factory is not bad. It's okay. So stay tuned. It's more about to come. So as I said before, my name changed. This is why, but new stuff is coming. So I'm gonna take my bike back, motherfucker. Get the fuck out of here. It doesn't even have air in the tires, but I don't care. Patang tang. Bye, motherfucker.
Is that crazy Pussycat?
Man, this is the crazy ass pussy ass motherfucker. She like it rough. Do you like it rough? Do you like it?
Il va en échouer là.
Ah, c'est vrai non plus. Oh shit.
Man, where the fuck you got this thing from, man? Damn! Mais closet. Man!
Oh, never forget to have fun. Even if you are in a job, man, even if you do some crazy ass YouTube videos, even if you fuck your mama ass, damn, have some fun. C'est bon.